Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to add a page to your menu in your website. So first of all guys, please go ahead and open your dashboard in your WordPress by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin, and from there we will be starting our tutorial. Now what you will have to do is visit your site first, and let's show you first how the menu looks like. So we have coming soon, we have home, and we have test. Now if you wanted to add a new page to this menu, what you will have to do is basically go back to your dashboard, go to pages, and from pages you have to add a new page. So wait a little bit and until it loads, and let's choose something like that. About me, yeah, about me looks good. Tutorial 3, and page about me, let's name it something like tutorial 3, and yeah, I think that's perfectly good. Alright, now we click on publish, save, and let's go back in here and let's go to view pages. So now if you have appearance here, click on it, click on customize, and as long as you have this window in here, you go ahead and click on home page settings, and from here you can add a new page by, for example, add new page, and you can add new title. For example, let's add tutorial 4, and here we can add test, and we click on save changes. So tutorial page has been added. Now what you have to do is click in here, and you will have to see that the home page has been changed to tutorial 4. For example, let's go ahead and let's save changes first. So save changes, and let's open this page here, and as you can see, the tutorial 4 page has been added in here. And if you come in here, you have the tutorial page in here as well. So that's how guys you can actually add a page to your menu in WordPress. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.